gonna start right over here. Just double check for you. Yes. I'm gonna start right over here. This is gonna be our Uncle Nearest. Okay. Now, do you know the story behind Uncle Nearest? No, he was actually the first African American distiller. He's the one that taught Jack Daniel how to do everything. So, I'll tell you. I like to think of it more like a piece of history.
Yeah.
Okay? Moving forward, we're gonna have our wood reserve single barrel as well. This one, it's very unique because the way that they made it a couple years ago, they triple distilled 3 barrels and they put everything in one. Now, they don't do that anymore.
Yeah.
So this is the only place in the entire world where you can find this exact situation, you know? Moving forward, we're gonna have our Blanton's Gold. We all know Blanton's. I mean, it's a classic. It's gonna be very smooth. With the gold one, it's gonna be even better back here. So it's gonna be the soul crushing. And lastly, we're gonna finalize with our stack. We know how uncommon is to find stack. We only make it twice a year. So back here, for us, it's just like top notch that we have. We like to finish it off at last because it's gonna be the higher proof. So you're gonna have to just so you enjoy the other ones as well. Okay? So well, thank you so much right here.
Thank you.
Trick is to do it very slowly. Now it's gonna go to the side of the ice, you see? And we're not gonna touch it beautifully stick. There we go. Perfect. So the last drop, right?
What drink was that? The brown butter. Oh yeah.
And I top it up with this beautiful orange rosé for you. Okay?
Thank you.
Absolutely.
So here is a quick little review of Geo 82. So these are the windows right here leading in. There's a ton of really cool decorations. It's decorated like a really nice, like laid back, fancy little lounge. The drinks are really good. They are a little on the pricey side, but it's because the ingredients that they use are so much higher quality. So this is going to be a lot higher quality. They don't have like a ton of food to choose from, so I suggest making sure that you eat before you get here because you're going to want to hang out for a while. They don't give you a time limit, so you can stay. The last reservation that they do take is at 8 o'clock, and you can stay for the fireworks. So they do have a $179 fireworks party, but if you have a reservation for 8 o'clock, they will actually let you stay here for the fireworks. So that's pretty important to try to get you the latest one so you can stay and watch the fireworks. So you're gonna watch them from this window. Now, if you're having the reservation, you get the window seats. If you don't have a reservation for the fireworks party, you get like the back seats, but you can still see everything. So if you are going to Geo 82, let me know what you think. If you are on the fence about going to Geo 82, let me know what you think, and I'll try to answer any questions that you have. But remember, every day they open up the next day that's blocked out on the calendar. So if you haven't got reservations yet, every day 6 a.m. get on there, get the next day. So there's my experience for opening day of Geo 82. They gave us an opening day glass. I'll show you that. So how cool is that? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. At the new kids only Goofy core booth with the kid food. So we're gonna check it out. There's 4 different items, and you know how much kids love beer, so they added beer on as well.